Hey guys, check out this beautiful box. It is up for grabs. You guys, I'm doing a giveaway, as you can tell by my title. You guys stick around, watch the full video so you can find out all the details on how to win and find out what's inside. I'm excited about this video and I'm excited for somebody to win. Stick around.
And it goes a little something like
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bethany Lynn, and you guys, like always, appreciate the love. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching my videos. So today I am doing a different video for you guys. It's a Polygel nail kit video. I got this kit from my girl that does my nails. I'm going to put all her information and all that stuff in the description box below. Shout out Nails by Tashi and Dreamy Nail Supplies. You guys, she's wonderful. She's good at what she does. And so yeah, she gave me this kit to try out, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it and my results of me doing it. So don't judge, because this is my first time doing it, so heck, go easy on me. Alright, so right here I'm showing you guys the nails that I've already done my right hand. That was easy. Matter of fact, it wasn't easy. I'm not gonna lie, it was a struggle. So that's why I didn't record it. I didn't want that on camera. So yeah, I'm showing you guys how to do it. And right here I am filing out my nails, making sure I have all polish, any oils, anything like that off of my nails, so I have a nice clean nail bed to work with, and nice and dry for the acrylic to stick to my nail. Okay guys, so these are the items that are in the box, minus a few things, and I'll show you guys everything that's in the box towards the end of the video as well. So yeah, it comes with alcohol, and then you get your acrylic, your polygel, and it comes in the color pink. Then you have your base and your top coat. Then you have your file, your nail brush. Then you get your orange glitter. Love it. Of course, it's glitter. Love anything glitter. Then you have your nail forms, and then you have your nail brush that comes along with it. And then also a black cloth will come with it. I have my own wash rag sitting underneath it, washcloth. And then also I will show you the nail lamp that comes along with it later on in the video. So right here I'm just brushing off excess dust. And now I'm going to be pushing back my cuticles with my cuticle pusher. And I've had this forever. It's something that I had from nail school. So yeah, but that's not included in the kit. So this part you want to do, and be careful. You guys, you can jam it too hard, and yeah, it's going to hurt, or you might make yourself bleed. So be careful with that. Now that I got my cuticles pushed back, I am going to be cutting them off now. And you guys also be careful with this part. I don't like this part. You're cutting off dead skin, so just be careful that you don't cut too much skin, because yeah, you can make yourself bleed too. So just be careful, guys. So guys, I'm going to try to explain it the best I can. Like I said, I have never done polygel nails before. So right now I'm using the base coat, and this will help the acrylic stick to the nail. So yeah, use the base coat, and then that will go under the lamp. Now my hand goes under the UV lamp to dry, to cure, and you may have to set it a time or two. It goes for 45 seconds, I believe, so just check to make sure it's hard and not sticky or tacky, and if it is, just put it back under the lamp another time. I'm just showing you guys right quick, these are the nail forms that come along with the kit too as well, but I'm going to be using my real nails, so I'm not using the nail forms, but you guys have options. Up to you if you want to use your real nails or if you want to use the nail forms. Okay, so the next step, I will be using the alcohol, and then I will be using the pink acrylic, and that is also going to be getting mixed with the orange glitter. I think it's going to be cute Why? Because I love glitter, so I know it's going to be cute. So I'm going to take the acrylic and I'm going to place a small dab on my finger. Dab, dollop, or whatever you want to call it. And you guys, I'm a beginner at this, like I said, so I don't know if that's the correct way to do it or not, but that's the way I found easiest for me to do it. So yeah, and then I will use the alcohol to help spread the nail, to help spread the acrylic out to form to my nail. Okay, now that I have my nail formed to the way I want it, I am going to be putting it back under the UV lamp once again so it can cure. And then after that, I will go back in and I will file it out to the length and shape and all that good stuff to where I want it. And while you guys are watching this video, I hope you guys are enjoying it. But do me a favor and like, comment, subscribe, share, ring that bell, and turn those post notifications on. That way you all know when I post videos for you guys. So I started getting the hang of it, you guys, after a couple of times. It's not as bad as what I thought it would be. It's just I'm having a hard time making sure the acrylic's laid out smoothly. And then after I do that, I go back and smooth it out with the file. And also, you guys, it comes with 2 small block files. And I am just using the file, the straight file. But the small block files will be included in the kit, just so you guys know. Make sure you're checking for lumps and bumps too whenever you're laying your acrylic out on your nail. Make sure you're checking at all angles, making sure you have it all smoothed out. And then also get under your fingernail to make sure you don't have any acrylic under there, because you don't want that to harden like that whenever you go to put it under the lamp. So yeah, make sure you get under the nail and around the nail bed real good. Now I will be applying the top coat. I'm going to apply the top coat to all 5 fingernails, and then after that I will place them under the lamp to let those cure. And I believe you'll have to probably do that a couple times. Like I said, the timer I believe is set for like 45 seconds, but you may have to let it go longer, so you may have to hit the timer button a time or two. Yes, so this is the finished look, you guys. I love the pink. I like the sparkle, the glitter in there. It turned out really pretty. I think I did good for the first time. It wasn't too bad. I felt like I could have filed them maybe a little bit better, but hey, for my first time I think I did pretty good. You guys comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, it's time to check out this box and inform you guys on what is inside and all that good stuff and how to win. So you guys, I try to make this easy as possible, and I'm only doing 2 easy steps for you to win. In order to get into the drawing, you will, one, need to subscribe to my channel, Bethany Lynn. And in order for me to see that you are subscribed, you will have to go to your YouTube settings, and there should be a box for a subscriber where it allows you to see it publicly. If you have it set it private, I need you to change it to public, and that way I know that you are subscribed to my channel and I can put your name down and put you in the entry box. And then 2, all you need to do is comment on this video your favorite color or your birthstone, whichever choice you choose. Those are 2 easy steps that you have to do in order for a chance to win this box. Okay, guys? So I hope it's not going to be too hard or too confusing for you. Also, you guys must be 18 years or older to enter in the contest, and the contest will go for a week, so it will start from now until the 22nd, and at midnight on the 22nd is when the drawing will end. So you guys hurry, enter in for your chance to win this awesome Polygel nail kit. All right, good luck, and you guys remember, peace and God bless.